Hey guys, let's talk about action camera mounts. After my previous video where my action camera mount fell to the left at the beginning of my ride, I decided to search for a sturdier camera mount. After all, I want great footage and I don't want to risk losing my camera as these guys here did. So I did a whole lot of research and I settled on 3 different mounts. After reading and watching other reviews, and using my own engineering knowledge and experience in plastics design and various moulding methods, I settled on the Motoradds Flex Slim mount. I won't show you how to mount it, but there are several videos on YouTube that explain it perfectly. I'll add links to those videos in the description. Now let me explain why I chose the Motoradds Flex Slim mount. Firstly, I like the sleek design and it moulds perfectly to my helmet. The long strip of 3M tape covers a large surface area, giving it better adherence than other brands in my opinion. I can even attach my Osmo Action 3 adapter directly to the mount. There's no need for any bulky adapters. The Motoradds Flex Slim mount even comes with an adapter piece, should you want to mount your camera upright. And the main reason I chose Motoradds is that their mounts are manufactured using a process called injection moulding. Unlike other mounts that are 3D printed, injection moulding uses plastic granules that are fed in through a hopper. The granules are heated and melted into a molten liquid, then injected into a mould at high pressure. The mould is cooled and the part is then ejected. The following demonstration will show you exactly how this works. Due to the injection of plastic at high pressure, the result is a superior strength polymer. This is due to the ability of monomers to bond together, forming a strong chain polymer. The tolerances of injection moulded parts are much tighter and there are many more polymer blends that can be used to engineer a superior product. This is why Lego parts are injection moulded and not 3D printed. 3D printing, on the other hand, uses a filament roll of plastic which is fed through a heated nozzle and layered into a desired part. Parts are usually weaker, since the entire volume of the part is not filled with plastic. "3D printing is improving, but today it cannot replace injection moulding in the speed of manufacture and the strength of the parts. So how does it fit and feel with the camera mounted? I love how easy it is to mount the camera below my chin, so it doesn't block any of my view while riding. You hardly know it's even there. Now let's take a look at how it feels while riding. So it feels very light and I can hardly tell it's there. It feels sturdy, and as I mentioned earlier, I can set the camera up so it doesn't block my field of vision. I can just ride and focus on the road ahead. But whilst I have my reasons for choosing Motoradds, I haven't reviewed or tested the other 2 brands, so I don't want to negatively judge them. When I contacted Motomounts, they advised me that their mounts use a similar process to injection moulding, but didn't actually elaborate on the process at all. I did find out that chin mounts use 3D printing to manufacture their mounts. If you wish to purchase any of the mounts from Motoradds, Motomounts or chin mounts, I've left a promo code in the description for each of the brands, so you can get a discount on your purchase. I hope this video has been helpful. See you all next time.